Hi everyone, I'm doing a fabulous head wrap using two scarves. So the first scarf should be on your head looking like this, and make sure the ends are even. Take the second scarf, put it on top like this, take it around the back of your head, bring it back to the front if it is long. If not, you just make a tie and tuck it in, tuck in the ends. So I'm tucking in my ends right now. Right? So it's gonna be looking like this. Now you're gonna take this front piece and take it up like this and tuck it under this area. So here I go. Now I'm gonna take these two ends to the back. Bring it to the back. You can tie it if you want to, but I'm not gonna tie mine. I'm gonna bring it straight back to the front. I'm gonna make a tie like this, and then I'm gonna make a bow. So it's all about tying, tucking, and a bow, okay? And that's it. So you can play with the bow. Simple, fabulous, and nice. See? Thank you for watching. Peace.